Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this is a really exciting video for me. I'm partnering up with Covergirl to unveil their newest product, and the reason why I'm so excited about this partnership and this collaboration is because this new product that is a foundation that's called TruBlend Matte Made. It's all about diversity and inclusivity. TruBlend is really all about attending to all women with a range of 40 different shades and different undertones, which is something that I feel like hasn't been done before. So it's like you're basically getting your own personalized foundation. We all know the struggle with foundation that is found in drugstores. It's really hard to find a shade that matches your skin tone. That's something that I actually struggled with a lot when I was modeling and I was traveling a lot. I would go and get my makeup from drugstores, and I would always have to blend in a bunch of different tones together because I'm kind of fair, but I also have some pinkish undertones, and mostly with foundations that's found in drugstore, you don't really see that range that attends to your undertones as well. So I've been modeling for over a decade now, and I've been super fortunate to travel around the world and meet so many amazing women and girls that come in all shapes and sizes and colors, and it was the best experience I could ever ask for. And it's funny because modeling world feels like, the fashion industry feels like a very superficial industry, but you actually get to experience so much of the world's beauty and diversity through it. I really got the chance to see girls and women just growing into themselves, finding their voice, their power, and their comfort of expressing exactly who they want to be. And I think that's what really attracted me to this type of campaign. I mean, this Covergirl TruBlend foundation is really all about taking all the feedback they could from all the women around the world and creating a product that is made for everyone, but also made for specifically you, which is wonderful. So the color that I'm using is L30. And to me, with foundation, what I really care about, which I'm excited that this has, is the fact that it is, first of all, transfer resistant, because God knows we all need that, especially when we change clothes or if we have kids or anything like that. It is a matte finish, and usually it scares me, matte finishes in general, but I have to say that with this, it doesn't feel cakey, which is my biggest concern, and it doesn't make my skin feel dry. So that's the reason when I tried it, I was like, okay, I can get with that matte movement. I get it. So you can really achieve that even look without feeling like you have so much going on. I think the thing that I love most about makeup is the fact that today we live in such an amazing time where we as women feel so much more powerful and in charge of our own future, and the fact that we can really express who we are without being scared of not fitting into a certain mold. And I mean, we're just in the beginning of that process, I feel, but it's going places. So when companies like this really put this message out there, I'm all about supporting it, because we can be whoever we want to be, whenever we want to be, whatever we want to be. That's the world I want to live in. Okay, so my foundation is done, and I mean, nothing else is done yet. I put some concealer. The fact that it feels lightweight and I can still feel my skin, yet everything is even and matte, is a revelation for me. Okay, so now let's just get into finalizing this look. I'm just going for something summery and fun and flirty and fast. That's the way I like things done. So once I'm done this, just to bring a little definition to my face, I'm gonna finish it up. Today we're going for confident but playful at the same time type of look. So this is it. My everyday makeup is really all about showing that softness yet having strength, which I find to be my winning vibe. So I really made sure that my skin is beautiful, even, and then just a little pop of color. So thank you so much, Covergirl, for partnering up with me for this video, and I'm super excited and proud of this new line of foundation you guys came out with, and I'm sure that every woman in the world will find what suits her best. And I'm really excited to see what you guys think about this foundation. So if you tried it or going to try it, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have an amazing and powerful and empowering day.